What we need here is an image of a Coca-Cola bottle. First of all, we need to open an image. In order to do that, we can use the shortcut Ctrl plus O. Now we need to open an image. Here, as you can see, I have already downloaded an image of a Coca-Cola bottle. Now select the image and click on it to open. Now the image has loaded. Adjust the image mode to the center for the convenience of our work. And after that, select the image that is loaded. Then press the shift button and drag the image from the corner simultaneously to make our image fit to the page that we are editing. Now we will need to draw the outline of the bottle, and for that the pen tool must be used. Also, it's not necessary to draw the outline of the whole bottle. We will be needing only the half portion of it. Now proceed to use the pen tool and select the desired play parts, that's the half of the bottle, and as you can see the desired portions are selected. Let's adjust the stroke to deep black. Look for the curves that we are missing in the outline that we have made. For this we will need the direct selection tool. Select the direct selection tool and click on the image corner where we want to make the curve. Once the corner is selected, look for a small point beside the corner. Now slightly drag the small point along the axis to make our required curve. If we look at the outline that we have just made, we can see it's still in one piece and that is needed to be separated. The reason we need to separate the components of the bottle is that mainly for the coloring purposes, the color of the cap should be different, the color of the bottle should be different, and the color of the label should be different as such. So now to divide the parts of our outline, we need the scissor tool. Now select the scissor tool and click on the part that needs to be separated. Slightly move the selected part away from the main outline. Now we need to connect these parts again with the pen tool, and now we can move the part to the original position. Also now we can go to the review mode using the Ctrl Y. And now as you can see, the components are well distinguished and can be identified easily.
Avodha promise you a bright future. Learn now, pay after you land a job. Register now.